Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 8th, 2018, and we have our little polka dot plant seedlings here. Now, we started these back in February, and they came up on the 18th for us. And I just wanted to show you, they have their colors here. You can see there's the red there, and white, and the pink. I'll show you my other pack of them over here. Hold on a moment. Okay, we have our other pack over here. These are a little hard to see. Sorry about that. But they got their true colors to them. And they're growing along just nicely for us. And they're so cute. I have another little pack of them. That one didn't get its true leaves yet, so it doesn't have its true colors yet. But I just wanted to give you an update video and show you here what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.